You have friends who are love experts? I'm not buying it.
Stop talking.
No, I'd like to meet these.
No, I mean it.
Ugh.
Shh. Sven, go. Go.
What are they?
Wolves.
Wolves? What do we do?
I got this. You just don't fall off and don't get eaten.
But I want to help.
No.
Why not?
Because I don't trust your judgment.
Excuse me?
Who marries a man she just met?
It's Shrulov!
Whoa! Oh. Whoa!
Christopher!
It's Kristoff! Ow! Ah!
Duck!
You almost set me on fire!
But I didn't! Get ready to jump, Sven!
You don't tell him what to do.
Hey!
I do!
Woo!
Jump, Sven! But I just paid it off. Uh-oh. No! 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 Ah! No! 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 No!
Grab on! Pull, Sven, pull! Whoa. I'll replace your sled and everything in it. And I understand if you don't want to help me anymore.
Of course I don't want to help her anymore. In fact, this whole thing has ruined me for helping anyone ever again.
Is it this way?
She'll die on her own.
Wait,
I
maybe
can
it's
live
up
with
here.
that. But you won't get your new sled if she's dead.
I actually think it's a...
Sometimes I really don't like you. Hold up. We're coming.
You are? I mean, sure. I'll let you tag along.